back again with another video.
Bring your machine over, polish up the driveway. I've been meaning to pay somebody to do that for me. That is, if you're not too busy and all. Oh, no. Sure, something's good, man. Yeah. Thanks, bro. Hey, Ray. Well, friend, it's been another busy day. And that's how what from place to place. Offering comfort and